And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be so good as skin.
Guys, Rose again here of Rocky Fraco. We're done na sa aming simba. So, family day, although tatlo lang kami ulit kasi yung panganay ko may sarili na siyang plans and also yung pangalawa kong lalaki is may sarili na rin siyang plan. So, kami ulit tatlo. Pero gagala pa rin kami. It's still a family day. Minsan lang ako may off na Sunday. So, guys, tara let's biyahe ulit tayo. Maraming mga tindahan dyan ng iba't ibang klaseng food. Ganun. So, iba't ibang country yung nag-o-offer ng food. Dito yon sa gitna. Summertime yon. Ito guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Glimpse lang. Tingnan lang natin. Silipin lang natin. Pakita ko lang yung ano ang itsura ng mga old houses nila dito. Tinatawag nilang red house. Although hindi na sa tinitirahan, parang mga restaurant sa ang ganda, diba? Pero ito na lang actually yung natitinan nilang mga red houses. Wala na masyado. Ganyan siya kaganda. Tapos yung iba niya nandun sa kabilang, sa kabilang area.
Ayun yung floating sound.
So, itong place na to, yan, yung dali yun, yung mga tirahan ng mga rich people, mga mayayaman. Kasi sobrang mahal ng mga bahay. Ganyan lang dito. Ganyan ang libangan ng mga tao. Maglakad, pumunta ng bundok, pumunta ng sine, pero hindi masyado ang sine nyo. Kumain sa labas. At pumunta sa nature tripping. Yan lang ang ginagawa dito. So kung hindi ka mahilig, talaga namang mabobol ka. At makukulture shock pa. Kasi summer lang ang may buhay dito. Yan. So, kailangan mong libangin ang sarili mo. So, yun guys. Kain na tayo. Nagugutom ako.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us.
Okay guys, dito tayo ngayon sa McDonald's kasi ito yung wish ng aming maliit. Hindi kami makakain anywhere kasi hindi siya kumakain, kundi french fries lang. So, dito lang muna tayo. So, let's go! Let's go say hi!
Cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding. Cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding.
And that's all for today, guys. Pagod ang paikot-ikot. Wala namang nangyari. But anyway, we're home. If you guys like our video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Bye!